Now coming on different gas laws, we take next gas laws. In gas law, basically we are relating property of gases like pressure, volume, temperature and number of moles. So first we can take this law called Boyle's law, which basically the laws are the experimental observations. The different laws are the experimental observations of variation of the properties of pressure, volume and temperature on keeping some value constant, some values changing. So first can be taken Boyle's law. Write down the statement. देखिए, it states that for a fixed mass of gas, for a fixed mass of gas at constant temperature, the pressure of a gas is inversely proportional to its volume. Means if you write here, if for a gas pressure is inversely proportional to volume, when we take condition taken what? T constant and N constant. When we have number of moles, that is amount of gas is constant. If for the gas mass is fixed, that means number of moles are also fixed. T temperature is constant. In such condition, for a gas pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Or I can write here this P is equal to K is constant or proportionality into 1 by V, or we can write here P into V is constant, or we can take as K constant, or we can write here product of P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 and so on. In the condition of constant temperature and number of moles of the gas, the product of pressure into volume will remain constant. That P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 is equal to P3 V3 and so on. It is Boyle's law observation, and this Boyle's law taken. Simple point है यार, अगर आपका एक गैस रखा है किसी सिलेंडर में, by piston we can control the pressure. So what happen if we apply high pressure? The volume will decrease, pressure higher, volume decrease, or if you decrease the pressure, then the gas undergo expansion. On decreasing pressure, lowering of pressure, the gas undergo expansion, while on increasing pressure, the gas undergo compression. That observation only is taken as Boyle's law. If pressure is inversely proportional to volume. This we already just gave you expression, that ideal gas equation, that is what? PV is equal to nRT. You can take here for the fixed amount of gas at constant temperature, R is already constant, so this all the things become constant. Constant means the product of P into V will be constant, taken as K. It is from the ideal gas equation, you can prove this point here. Okay, so it is taken Boyle's law by expression. Remember, all the gas laws are valid or applicable only for ideal gases. If the gas will show deviations, हम पढ़ेंगे उसको बाद में under heading van der Waals equation for real gases. ठीक है? So let us take some graph for this Boyle's law on which you get question frequently. The expression we can write first here, that pressure of the gas is inversely proportional to volume, or K into 1 by V. So in this case, if you draw the graph, the nature of graph is obtained. Draw the graph pressure and volume. So we will get a graph of this nature. This graph is called what here? Rectangular hyperbola. Now if I draw the graph here, pressure and 1 upon V, so this can be taken equation of straight line. You can take K is equal to mx or y is equal to mx. So if you take y pressure, so in this case, what we can get the graph here, pressure and 1 by V graph, So it is taken, the graph we get is here, straight line, slope can be taken k, 1 by v is taken as, like it is taken y, it is taken x. So k is slope positive here, and we get this kind of graph here. Now, if it is taken some more graph variations here from this law, we can write here several more graph for the Boyle's law. If I take by expression PV is equal to constant K, if I write here, so if I write expression, or P is equal to K into 1 by V. If I take log on both sides, log P is equal to log K plus log 1 by V, or log K minus log V. So again both can be taken equation of straight line. So for them we can write the graph. For them we can draw the graph here for both expressions. If I draw the graph here, log P versus log V, when you draw the graph here, log P and log V graph here, what we get the graph nature? In this case the graph will have negative slope, and in this case this can be taken what here? Intercept can be taken here. This can be taken intercept in this case as log K, as intercept. Log V. Slope can be taken in this case -1. So I hope it is clear. Slope negative आपका आएगा इसमें, क्यों आएगा? Because if angle taken become, the angle is obtuse angle more than 90 degree. Now if I draw the graph for this, it is the graph for this first case. If I draw the graph of second equation, first equation now, log P and log 1 by V. Now this graph log P and log 1 by V will have positive slope. Angle can be how much in this case? Theta. Can be taken 45 degree because we can take slope is how much in this case? 1, and that is how much? Tan theta. So theta should be how much from here? When we have tan 45 degree it is 1, theta is 45 degree. So this angle theta is 45 degree. This can be taken in this case intercept log K as intercept, and we can have in this case log K become your intercept, slope is 1. So this can be equation of straight line. So this is second graph for this equation. Are you clear? Now some more graph can be taken here. देखिए आपको ग्राफ का अगर थोड़ा सा आइडिया मैं देता हूँ, कुछ हमारे लिए इम्पोर्टेंट यहाँ पर, हमारे लिए जितने ग्राफ इम्पोर्टेंट होंगे वो हमारे हैं सारे स्ट्रेट लाइन प्लॉट्स. आपका चैप्टर 2-3 चैप्टर आपका आएंगे, यहाँ पे ग्राफ बेस्ड क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. उसमें आपका एक चैप्टर तो ये है स्ट्रिक्ट मैटर गैस लॉ पे ग्राफ बेस्ड क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. देन वन चैप्टर मोर कैन बी टेकन इन काइनेटिक्स इन क्लास 12th, चैप्टर अंडर हेडिंग केमिकल काइनेटिक्स. इन दैट चैप्टर वी रिक्वायर द ग्राफ. So for straight line plot, I can take, before this law will continue, just will take some graph which is helpful to you in solving graph based questions. For straight line plot, the graph can be taken y is equal to mx or y is equal to mx plus c, or sign is negative then slope is negative. So there are three common equations which we should will just explain to you once. जैसे आप मैथ में पढ़ते हैं ग्राफ हो रहा है यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे क्या y is equal to mx ग्राफ आप लेंगे यहाँ पर, तो y axis x axis taken here. Slope is how much in this case? M. Slope is positive in this case, and slope is how much? Tan theta. In this case, we will have how much intercept in this case? 0. The graph will pass through origin. The graph will pass through origin or start from origin. Okay, that is first. Now for the second expression taken, you can take the graph y-axis, x-axis. Slope is now positive. Slope is positive. Also we have intercept positive here. The graph will be of this nature. It is angle theta. You can take in this case slope is equal to m is equal to tan theta. This can be taken in this case intercept is equal to c. It is c as your intercept. If I take the sign negative, minus mx plus c, the slope is in this case negative. The graph is obtained of this nature. Join completely. In this case, slope is negative because angle theta is taken this one. Theta is more than 90 degree. Obtuse angle formation here. So we can take slope minus m. It have negative slope but positive intercept on y-axis. Slope negative because theta is more than 90 degree in this case. This angle taken, and then intercept is taken here. C, positive intercept, slope negative. यहाँ पर क्या था आपका slope positive and we also have positive intercept. So we can have negative intercept and then we can have slope positive, or we can have two more graphs taken here. Both are negative. कैसे होता है? Let us explain two more graphs to you. We can have the graph taken negative intercept and positive slope. This nature of graph is this category. We have in this case negative intercept and slope positive, or we can have negative intercept and negative slope. Both are negative. Then we get this kind of graph here. Negative intercept, slope also negative. We can take two more graphs here. Like we have taken Boyle's law with the graph nature of this category. When y is inversely proportional to x and we draw the graph y is to x, then we get the graph nature that is called as rectangular hyperbola. And when we take the graph y of equation taken y is equal to k x square, it becomes equation of parabola. And when we draw the graph y versus x, we get such kind of graph called parabola, and this curve starts from origin. The curve starts from origin. In this case, already explained to you. In this graph, if you draw by writing k constant, the graph y versus 1 upon x, then we get straight line. So now coming back on the Boyle's law, some more curves on which questions are given for predicting the properties like pressure, volume, temperature, which are higher or lower values. Like if I take the graph PV versus P, we get straight line. If you draw the graph PV versus V, is also straight line. How it is explained? Because simple logic है. What is expression taken? PV is equal to, again coming back on the gaseous equation, or PV is constant, or PV is equal to how much? nRT. That is PV is constant. It was from the ideal gas equation. So what happens if we change only one property in both the case? If I suppose change one property, then second property will adjust. In this case, the net product of pressure into volume is constant until we change temperature. The net product of pressure into volume is constant until we change temperature. So we can take in the given graph that if one will increase, pressure will decrease. So the net product of pressure into volume will remain constant. The net product of pressure into volume will remain constant. Again, similarly, if I increase the volume, then pressure will decrease and vice versa. So in such a given graph, we will have the product of pressure into volume and versus P or versus V. The graph will be given straight line parallel to the x-axis. Now suppose if I take the graph here, two different or three different temperatures. Suppose I take T1 temperature, T2 temperature, T3 temperature. Then in this case, can you tell the relation of temperature, which is highest or lowest temperature? From the given gas, you can take equation wise. PV is directly proportional to temperature if the number of moles of the gas will remain constant. R is already gas constant, and this number of moles of the gas constant, and R is already gas constant. So what is relation of product of pressure into volume? We can see product of pressure into volume is directly proportional to temperature. So if T will be higher, product of P into V is higher. So from the given graph, I can write here that T1 is higher than T2 than T3. So similar graph can be also drawn if we take temperature variability here in the given graph. तो क्वेश्चन पूछता है कि आपको ग्राफ दे देगा T1, T2, T3 और अदर केस सम अदर वेरिएबल्स, तो उसको आपको इस इक्वेशन को अप्लाई करके आप आराम से देख पाएंगे उसमें कि क्या प्रॉपर्टीज में वेरिएशन या रिलेशंस आएगा. जैसे हम अगला लेते हैं इसमें पी वी ग्राफ अगेन एट डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर्स. We can have three different temperatures. PV graph, T1, T2, T3 temperature. In the given graph, the question is given, what is the order of temperature? The correct order of temperature is what? Option आपको A देगा इसमें T1 more than T2 more than T3. Option B suppose दिया है T3 more than T2 more than T1. और कोई ऑप्शन इसमें पॉसिबल नहीं है because T2 should be intermediate. ना तो हाईएस्ट और लोएस्ट है. हाईएस्ट और लोएस्ट में एक ही पॉसिबिलिटी है T1 का या T3 का. तो ये आपके दो ऑप्शंस पॉसिबल होंगे इस क्वेश्चन में. यहाँ पे आप सोच सकते हैं. तो इसमें कैसे करना है इस क्वेश्चन को है देखिए. To solve such kind of question, we can take one property constant. If I suppose take in the given graph, I draw the curve which can meet all the three axes here, all the three curves are cutting. I will take the suppose the graph at constant pressure. If we have taken pressure constant, so what we can write there here? It is pressure P1. Means sorry, we have taken volume constant. In this case, volume is constant. This pressure can be taken P1 or P2 or P3 pressures at same temperatures. So it is suppose you can P1 pressure, P2 pressure, P3 pressure. Now, if volume is constant, from gas equation PV is equal to nRT. If we have made volume constant here, volume constant, nR already constant, so we can take for the gas pressure is directly proportional to temperature. In such a case, pressure is directly proportional to temperature. So when we have high pressure, we will have high temperature. Low pressure means we have low temperature. हो गया आपका आराम से इसमें क्वेश्चन में समझ में आया. Now if this expression or this can be explained by one more curve here. If I suppose cut this, P is taken constant. If I take P constant, I'll take two only suppose points here. बहुत simple है. So when we take P constant, graph again taken two temperatures, T1, T2. I'm just writing only two values. That will make the meaning simple clear. Now when we take P constant, then what happens? In such a case, volume is directly proportional to temperature. अब देखो इसमें अगर P constant कर दिया, R constant है, N constant है, then what happen? For the gas, volume is directly proportional to temperature. So in which case we have high temperature, high volume, more volume. At V1 point, suppose taken here, this volume can be taken V1, which correspond to T1 temperature, and volume V2 at T2 temperature. So V2 is less, V1 is higher, that means T1 is more than T2. So whenever this kind of graph given to compare temperature range, you can use, you draw one line, either by keeping pressure volume constant, or we can keep pressure constant. So easily you can tell the nature of or the order of temperature in such question. Okay, now if you draw the graph P and P versus 1 by volume, which can give straight line, then also you get question. That is the next point. Okay, मेरा ग्राफ दोनों में सेम ही है, P versus 1 by volume. यहाँ पे आपको दिया है क्वेश्चन में से, आपको कर्व दिए हुए हैं, ग्राफ दिए हुए हैं, तो कर्व दिया हुआ इसमें at two different temperature T1, T2. We can have more curves but will not make meaning much different. आपको समझना है केवल ग्राफ दोनों को, बेसिक दोनों में थ्योरी का कंसेप्ट सेम ही रहेगा. यहाँ पे T1 है, T2 टेम्परेचर लिया मैंने दोनों केस में. अब पूछा इसमें in both the graphs see we have taken y axis pressure and x axis we have taken 1 by volume. In both the graph क्वेश्चन पूछा इसमें है what is the order of temperature, which is higher temperature, which is lower temperature. आपको ये बताना इस केस में. Can you tell? देखिए, अगर हम देखते हैं इस केस में, if I take suppose we can draw one line like previous case parallel to this x axis. So what we have done, we have maintained the pressure constant. When we have taken pressure constant from the gas equation, P is equal to how much? nRT by V. So if I take pressure constant, so we can take relation of 1 by volume, P into V. So if we take P is constant here, then what happens? Relation of volume can take here 1 by V, or volume is directly proportional to what here? Temperature. If P constant and T constant, P constant and N constant. Now if we can take here in this point here, when 1 by V is higher, 1 by V is higher means volume is less. When 1 by V is higher, that means volume is less. When volume is less, that means we have low temperature, so T1 is less than T2. यहाँ पे क्या है? 1 by V is lower. कब होगा 1 by V lower? अगर आपका volume बड़ा है. If volume is higher, then 1 by V is lower. So you can take from this graph here that T1 at T2 is more than T1. समझ में नहीं आया? कि PV is equal to nRT using ideal gas equation, we can explain simply. When P is constant, then volume of the gas is directly proportional to temperature. In such conditions, so when we take volume higher, T higher. For volume to be higher, we should have 1 by V lower. When 1 by V is lower, that means T2 is more than T1. If I draw the curve here, this one here, if I suppose take the property 1 by V constant, if I take 1 by V constant, so you can take two different pressure values. So in this case, what is relation of pressure and temperature? Pressure is equal to nRT by V. Yeah, V constant. Already R and N constant, so pressure is directly proportional to temperature. In whichever case we have high pressure, that indicate high temperature as well. Because we have taken volume constant, means 1 by V constant. 1 by V constant means volume is constant. In such condition, we can take from the given same graph here, T2 is more than T1. So I hope it is very simple now for you to understand the nature of graph and prediction of the property of the gases. And then value like temperature relation, we can get easily in such graph. Okay, so that's the graph taken for Boyle's law. Different points we have drawn here. Now we take next law taken is Charles law. Charles law. Now Charles law can be taken again we can have for Charles Law two statements. So we can write both statement. Write down first statement. लिखिए, write down. It states that for a fixed mass of gas, at constant pressure, P is constant. For a fixed mass of gas at constant pressure, the volume is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Volume is directly proportional to absolute temperature. For a fixed mass of gas at constant pressure, the volume is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Meaning, when we take temperature in Kelvin scale, is called as absolute temperature. Volume, we can write from here that ratio of V upon T become constant, Sk, or we can write here that V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2 and so on. These different expressions we can write for this Charles law. In solving question we are using this expression for Charles law based question. If it all given to you, यहाँ पर क्या constant आपका है, number of moles of the gas will be constant and pressure is constant. Here इसका meaning क्या होता है when they use the word here absolute temperature, that indicate we are taking temperature in Kelvin scale. When you take temperature in Kelvin scale, then it is called as absolute temperature. T in Kelvin scale. तो क्या होता है आपका statement? For a fixed mass of gas at constant pressure, volume is directly proportional to absolute temperature. That is one statement for Charles law. In this expressions, we will take temperature in Kelvin scale. We can have one more statement. Write down second statement. In second also this part is same. Write down statement, second statement. For a fixed mass of gas at constant pressure, the volume of a gas increases or decreases by a factor of 1 by 273 times of its volume at 0 degree Celsius for every 1 degree Celsius rise or fall in temperature. For a fixed mass of gas at constant pressure, volume of a gas increases or decreases by a factor of 1 by 273 times of its volume at 0 degree Celsius for every 1 degree Celsius rise or fall in temperature. Simple point है, if temperature increase, volume increase, or T decrease, volume decrease. That is same as first statement as well. But we can write expression Vt can be taken as V0 plus into 1 by T by 273. In the given expression, Vt is the volume of the gas. Volume of the gas at T degree Celsius temperature. V0 is the volume of the gas at 0 degree Celsius. T is taken temperature in degree Celsius. इसको नोट कर लीजिए. Vt के तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस एट T डिग्री सेल्सियस. V0 the volume of the gas at 0 degree Celsius temperature. T is taken temperature in degree Celsius. See the previous case we have taken temperature in Kelvin scale. Now we take in this case temperature in degree Celsius. Both the expressions will give the same result. Both the equations when we apply mathematically will give same result. To see the result part of this expression, we can take one question, small question here. देखिए एक क्वेश्चन आपको बहुत सिंपल दे रहा हूं. उसमें क्वेश्चन दिया है आपको वॉल्यूम दिया है किसी गैस का, वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए गैस इज गिवन इज 100 ml at 0 degree Celsius. Then find the volume of the gas at 273 degree Celsius. This is the question given on Charles law base. One very simple question to make the equations clear. If anybody have doubt in mind, देखिए, to solve this question we can have two expressions. One is taken relation V1 by T1. Let us take this condition V1 is the volume of the gas 100 ml when you T temperature T1 0 degree Celsius, 0 plus 273 meaning 273 Kelvin temperature. आपको V2 निकालना है. What is T2 temperature? In Celsius it is 273. 273 plus 273 become how much? 546 Kelvin. And then by expression V1 by T1 is V2 by T2. From here what is V2? V1 into T2 546 by T1 273. It is just double. So volume is coming how much in solving? 200 ml. That is first expression. In this formula V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. We will take temperature in only Kelvin scale. If I take second expression Vt means what is volume at 273 Kelvin. V0 is taken how much? 100 ml. 1 plus T दिया है small t in Celsius. 273 degree Celsius by 273. That is 1 plus 1 2 into 200 is 200 ml. So both equations are same basically. Results are same from both expressions in the Charles law. So when we take in this condition what? Pressure constant and the amount of gas, maybe mass of the gas or number of moles of the gas, सबका रिलेशन सेम है. अगर वो कांस्टेंट है तो क्या होता है कि फॉर द गैस वॉल्यूम इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू टेम्परेचर, एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर. सिंपल पॉइंट है. ऑन हीटिंग व्हाट हैपेंस? वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस एक्सपेंड्स इंक्रीजेस और कूलिंग द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द गैस डिक्रीजेस. इफ यू टेक प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल्स, एक बैलून होता है, इसमें आपका एयर भरा हुआ है. If you take in winter season, it shrinks because the volume slightly contract. Or if you take taken in summer season, it normally expands slightly. Reason is again by T variation, volume change. If pressure is constant and the amount of gas constant in that conditions. Some graph can be taken for Charles law as well. Already graph nature I explained to you. So directly take this some graph directly for Charles law. Now when you draw the graph for Charles law, we will draw the volume and T graph, volume and temperature graphs or curves. Now to see the relation here, we can again go back for the ideal gas equation. PV is equal to nRT. From here volume is how much? nRP into T. क्या लिखा है? P and N constant. In Charles law, pressure remain constant. Number of moles of the gas remain constant. So when P and N are constant, in such condition are already gas constant, volume is directly proportional to temperature. So this expression can be taken as equation of straight line. It is y mx. C तो 0 होगा इसमें. If you just write for C, indicating 0 intercept along the y-axis. So when you draw the graph here, the curve will pass through origin. In such case, when you take the V and T graph, slope in this case is how much? N. That is how much? NR upon P. Slope in this case is NR upon P. Tan theta as M, and M is how much here? NR upon P. So I hope you got this point here. The volume in T graph is straight line passing through the origin. 0 intercept along the y-axis. Now some graph can be drawn for V and T for relation of pressure and volumes. So let us take 1-2 question on this graph base to explain this concept further. आपको क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है V and T ग्राफ के अंदर. We are given different pressure values. We can take different pressure like P1, P2, P3 are pressure values. Now question is given the find the order of temperature. What is in this case order of temperature? ऑप्शन आपको देगा, दो ही ऑप्शन पॉसिबल इसमें, P1 मोर देन P2 मोर देन P3, ऑप्शन बी में देगा इसमें P3 मोर देन P2 मोर देन P1. P2 cannot be highest or lowest. P2 cannot be highest or lowest in the given graph. Can you tell the order of pressure values? बहुत सिंपल है. देखिए इसमें करना क्या आपको है. I told you like previous case, draw a straight line which can join all the points either taking V constant or T constant. If I suppose take V constant, we get such kind of graph where it is taken three corresponding temperatures. It is taken T1 for P1 pressure, T2 and T3 temperature, which correspond to P3 pressure. Now, in the given case, we have taken volume constant. Volume is constant, and number of mole of gas constant. From the gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. N constant, V constant, then pressure of the gas is directly proportional to temperature. If you take a V constant, already we have N and R both constants. So in such a condition, when volume is constant, for the gas pressure is directly proportional to what? Temperature. So in this case, when P3 is highest, that means T3 will be highest, or vice versa. So when T higher, P3 highest. So order, or in this case, what is the correct answer? P3 is more, then P2 and P1 is lowest. This can be explained also alternatively, variation. If I take again P1, P2, P3, I can take second property, what? T constant. When we take T constant, then I can take in this case volume variable. So when T is constant, then as per the condition here, T constant is PV is equal to how much? nRT. When we take T constant, number of moles constant, then for the gas pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Boyle's law. अब देखो इसमें T constant कर देंगे, N only constant है. Then from Boyle's law can take here, we can apply Boyle's law now here, where we have variation of pressure and volume. So when pressure is higher, volume is lowest. If I take volume, suppose taken corresponding volumes, V3, this volume is taken suppose V2, it is V1. So when pressure is highest, volume is lowest. This also gives same result, that P3 is more than P2 is more than P1. So we can cut either this way or this way. दोनों में आपको results आपको मिल जाएगा आराम से. So I hope it is clear. In VT curve, we can get this relation of pressure based questions. मिलता है क्वेश्चन में आपको है कि आपको ग्राफ दे देगा, पूछेगा रेशियो क्या है, रिलेशन क्या है प्रेशर का, या फॉर थ्री प्रेशर व्हाट इज द ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस प्रेशर वैल्यूज. वी कैन गेट इजीली फ्रॉम हियर. ओके, लेट अस टेक सम मोर ग्राफ इन दिस केस. नाउ इफ आई टेक द ग्राफ सपोज वॉल्यूम इन T ग्राफ, व्हेन टेक टेम्परेचर इन सेल्सियस. बी केयरफुल, व्हेन वी हैव टेम्परेचर इन सेल्सियस we will get the graph not same as T in Kelvin scale. Already explained कि when T was taken Kelvin, we get a straight line passing through origin if you take T in Kelvin scale. But now we take temperature in Celsius. So how to relate here? From Charles' law, we can write the statement volume is equal to how much? K into T. T is taken temperature in Kelvin scale. यह था ना ratio of V by T is constant. So I can write here V is equal to K into T. T is taken temperature in Celsius, Kelvin scale. How to get T in Kelvin? So T in Celsius plus 273, or I can write KT degree Celsius plus 273 K. This can be equation of straight line as Y is volume mx plus C. It is constant taken as intercept in this case. So when you draw the graph, we get this kind of graph here. V in T in Celsius. If T in Kelvin, see the graph. Question पूछता है, अगर आप जरा सा गलती कर देंगे यहाँ पर, you can make the mistake. Then otherwise we take the graph here. In this case we will have we can take this T in Celsius can go up to minus 273 degrees Celsius. When you take very accurate value, then you take temperature is how much? 273.15 at 0 Kelvin temperature means, at 0 Celsius means. Otherwise, so we can get the graph of this category. It is taken intercept on the volume axis. We can have from here the graph in this one here. Okay. Now, if you take the some more graph here for V and T graph. Now, if I draw the graph here, V upon T versus T graph. तो आपका रिलेशन क्या है? V upon T is constant from Charles law. So when T is, we can take changing volume will adjust. So ratio of V upon T remain constant. We get this kind of graph here. If we draw the graph, Vt versus T. So how this graph we can obtain here? We can take expression wise volume is equal to K into T by multiplying by T on both sides. I can write Vt is equal to KT square. Vt is equal to KT square, or this can be taken y is equal to, you can take K x square. So in this case, we draw the graph here. This becomes the equation of parabola. The graph start from origin. Equation of parabola and the graph start from origin. Okay. Now next we can take the graph is drawn Vt and T square graph. To draw the graph Vt and T square graph, in this case this can be taken y is equal to mx. So we get equation of straight line. Then we get equation of straight line passing through origin, 0 intercept. So with the graph taken Vt and T square, we get this kind of graph. So it is Charles law, different graph taken here. Now next can be taken pressure and temperature law, that is called as Amundsen's law or Gay-Lussac law.